While others learned from books, Steve Jobs learned from gears, from sparks, from the hum of electricity beneath the silence. He didn't ask why things worked, he asked how, and what if, and what's next. To them, he was still the weird squirrel in class, quiet, intense, always scribbling strange ideas. But one teacher saw differently. She didn't believe in tests. She believed in sparks, the kind that don't show up on paper, but burn bright in curious minds. He saw failure not as shame, but as invitation, to try again, to rethink, to reimagine. His room wasn't just a room, it was a lab, a studio, a launchpad for wild dreams and louder questions. He created his own curriculum, made from late nights, loose wires, and the thrill of almost working. Others brought polish. He brought purpose, raw, unfiltered, determined. Inside wasn't a prize. Inside was a challenge, a whisper. Why not? Not everyone saw what he saw, but one did, and that was enough.
Keep thinking different,
She said. And he did. He entered a place where questions were welcome, where being different wasn't odd. It was fuel. He was still different, but now he wasn't alone. He found minds like his, messy, restless, brilliant. Sometimes instinct is the best manual. The squirrel had something to say, and now finally others listened. The best mentors don't interrupt. They notice, they lean in, they make space. Want to build something real? One asked. He didn't hesitate. He never did. He didn't chase sleep. He chased vision. Eyes wide open, fingers stained with solder and sketches. It wasn't perfect, but it was alive. And sometimes alive is all you need to start something that lasts. He didn't just want to build things. He wanted to change lives. Quietly, boldly, with intention. Don't be like the others. Be curious. That was his North Star. Belonging didn't mean changing himself. It meant being himself, and still being part of something bigger. Every start deserves to be remembered, because every great thing began as something small and strange. The world wasn't ready, but Steve Jobs was, and that was enough to begin.